Hello, my name is Brooke Holzhauer. I'm a technical consultant at the Technical Services Window in Hamilton Hall, and today we will be going over the selfie stick. First, take the selfie stick out of the box and prop it up so the phone attachment is facing straight up. To do this, loosen the knob on the side of the selfie stick, then separate the legs of the selfie stick. Make sure the tripod legs are sturdy by sliding them up or down and propping them up so that it stands correctly. After you prop it up, you're going to want to put your phone into the phone attachment. To do this, you loosen the knob on the top of the attachment as much as you need to in order for your phone to fit. After doing that, tighten the screw to make sure your phone does not come out. Once your phone is in the attachment and secured, you can connect your phone to the selfie stick through Bluetooth. You can do this by flipping the piece on the selfie stick, turn the piece on, and making sure the Bluetooth on your phone is on. The name of the device is called Yunteng, or Yunteng. Once your phone is properly connected to the device, you can go to your camera app and press on the camera icon on the selfie stick to record. You want to make sure you're on the video tab in your camera app. If you want to raise or lower the volume, just click the plus or minus button. When you're ready to stop using the selfie stick, turn off the Bluetooth piece, flip it back around, take your phone out by loosening the knob, and then loosen the knob on the side to bend the attachment down and tighten it. Before putting it back in the box, make sure to put the legs back together, making sure it fits in the box. And that is how to use the selfie stick. I hope this video was helpful.